I'm in front of the Kock dog. Kock dog, I've been waiting for this to open, and it opened. Exciting. It's this hot dog that says the name is Kock dog, and it's just funny. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna just a little bit. It's all pink. The balloons are all pink, and they are, I don't know if they're open or not, but they're making inside. They're doing, it's actually nice when they have like the sitting areas and everything. They're open right now. Cockalicious, so delicious, it says inside, but I don't know if they're open. They're not open yet, but you see the inside. This is just exciting to see a place called Kock dog. Okay, Kock dog. One of these days I'm gonna come and eat here, and then we can just tape the experience. For now, thank you for watching. Grace and blessing.